This has like a little keyway right here. And I've got to mark that notch. Once you get
Right. Very specific tool for that.
This is emergency stop. The top two are going to be for the light bulb, and then these two are typically the main power coming in right off the power switch.
Okay.
So if anyone were to slide that, it would shut the whole system down. So I've got these that slide back, and the further down you put it, the tighter it'll be.
Nice.
Typically it's about halfway down. And there is a yellow ring that goes around this one that says emergency stop,
So that'll
and
be
a power off on, like a name tag. That'll have
indicator?
off and on here, indicator. Yeah, we don't have those yet, but I'll pop those in.